Who doesn't like money? Isn't it a silly question to ask who doesn't like money? You can make a lot of money online if you know how to do it correctly, but when I tell people this, they constantly ask, "What? I'm not sure how that's even possible." In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make money online quickly. Now, before you get too excited, please pay great attention to what I'm saying, and you'll need a device that can connect to the internet for this app to work. You'll need a computer, a phone, or a tablet that can connect to the internet. Now, because this program works on both Android and iOS, it doesn't really matter which mobile device you're using. Nonetheless, I'm wondering which mobile device you are using. So, is it an Android or an iOS device? Write it down in the comments section below. So, in this video, I'll teach you how to establish your account step by step. And then, I'll show you an example of what you'll be doing on this app so you can get a sense of how much money you'll make with it. This is truly one of the simplest ways to generate money online for free, so you don't have to invest anything, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Yes, this is a global opportunity to earn money online. However, the amount of money you'll earn by using this video will vary. Sometimes you'll earn a lot, and other times you'll only get a few dollars. So make sure to watch every second of this video to optimize your earnings. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So the website that we'll be using today is this right in front of your screen, and you can go to their website at the URL that I'm going to share with you later on. Now, what I want you to do when you get to their website is go down to the very bottom and find under the Userlytics section, Be Paid to Participate. I want you to click on this link, and this will bring you to this page where you can see here Get Paid to Test Websites and Apps. Again, you can do this on your computer, phone, or tablet. Just use whatever's available to you. So basically, this is a 3-step process. And step 1 is you have to first register your account for free. Step 2, you'll have to interact with a website or mobile app. As I mentioned earlier, I'll show you a real example, so make sure to keep watching. And finally, step number 3 is to get paid via PayPal. And as you can see here, for every project, you will get paid $5, $10, $15, or $20, and you can even be paid up to $90. So if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is go down to the section, type in your email address, and check both of these boxes and hit the sign up button. And as you can see, after clicking on the sign up button, a notification will pop up that says your account has been successfully created. Please check your email for your login details. Now, if you don't receive any email in your inbox, try checking your spam folder. So, what you need to do next is sign in to your email account and open the link from the email that the website has sent you. This will verify your email and will lead you to a page where you'll fill in the rest of the required information. So, that is your first name, your last name, and which country you currently live in. As you can see, all the countries are listed here, so you can use this website no matter where you live. Next, type in your birthday and your PayPal email address. Now, type in the email address that your PayPal is registered on. Select your gender and create the unique password. Once you're done, hit the submit button and you can begin doing tasks to earn money online. Now, I'll be showing you an example of a task that you might do to earn money from this website. For this task, the category is website testing, and that means that you have to go onto a website, in this case Alibaba, and do a few tasks in there. So these tests will take you about 5 to 10 minutes, and the payout rate is $50. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this task. Now, if you scroll down a little, you'll see that these are the steps you need to follow. So first, we're going to look at step number 1. You need to open a new browser tab on any device, and visit Alibaba official website at this URL link right here. You can actually just click on this link and you'll be taken to the Alibaba homepage. Now that means that step number 1 is completed. Now we can go over to step number 2. For step 2, you need to take a screenshot of the homepage of the Alibaba official website using your phone or computer. Now, the reason why some of these tests will ask for a screenshot is that they need to have evidence that you actually went on their website. Now, we're just going to go back to the Alibaba official website to take a screenshot. So if you're using a phone, you can just take a screenshot, but if you're on a computer like me, you can take a screenshot using the snipping tool. You can save this picture, and just like that, you're done with step number 2. Now we can go on to step number 3. We have to search for yoga mat and filter the search results based on the following details. If you scroll down a little, you can see the details you'll use to filter the search results. The reason that they ask you to do this is to test if it is hard for customers to find what they're looking for on their website. According to the instructions, you need to search for yoga mats. So go back to the Alibaba official website and click on the search bar, and then we'll just type in yoga mat and hit enter. Now you'll see all the search results for yoga mats. The next part of the instructions is to filter their results. To do this, simply go to the left part of the web page and the categories so we can filter out the result. So first supplier type is straight insurance. Subject, the trade assurance option. Next is product types. Ready to ship. We're gonna choose the ready to ship option. Minimum order is 10 pieces, so type in 10 here, and the price range is $4 to $10. So we'll just put in 4 and 10 in the respective bases. Next, we filter to supply a country or region. We're gonna set it to China for management certification and product certification. They both are CE, so we're gonna select the CE option in both places. And now we have successfully completed step number 3, where we search yoga mat and filter the results following the required criteria. So what we need to do now is take a screenshot of the web page to prove that we did the required tasks. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money today," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Finally, we got a step, which is to please search for an adjustable table under $100 and take a screenshot of the product page. So what you can do is head to the name of the product, then right-click and hit copy. Next, go back to the Alibaba web page and in the search bar, press Ctrl V to paste and then hit enter. Now you will be shown all the available adjustable tables on Alibaba, so now we just have to find one that's under $100. Once you find the right product, simply click on it and it will take you to the product page. So this is what we're gonna screenshot, and that's pretty much it. You're done with this task. As you can see, the tasks are pretty simple. It'll only take you about 5 to 10 minutes to do this, and they will pay you your earnings. Now, it is very important to complete all the steps and take screenshots to prove that you followed all the instructions. Once you complete all of your tasks, they will send your payment through PayPal. So some of the tasks will pay you around $10 and some will pay you more, but the more tasks that you do, the more money you'll earn, and that's pretty much it. Now, I know you are all dying to wait. What is the URL of today's special website? And you can search it at userlytics.com. For this video today, all you have to do now is do those tasks and watch as your PayPal account gets filled in no time. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money-making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.